What's up, you guys? This is your girl, Woe is Princess. So it's snowing right now. I never seen the mall this empty. No one. No one. Like it's like 3 or 4 people in here. I never seen the mall that empty, but it's snowing outside and it's sticking a lot. So it's supposed to close at 9:30. I mean, the mall closed I think at 8:30 or 9. But I work at Macy's. Macy's stay open till 9:30. But with all the snow, you think they'll close early or something? They still open. I mean, some stands this close early because that's closed. Yeah, because when you drive and stuff, nobody want to get stuck like this one's closed and that one's closed. But a lot of places still open in the mall. Because it's bad and you got to drive in it. You don't want to get stuck in, Then you got to dig out a park. They still here. That's that look upon your face. Change stupid life. Normally it's so packed down there. It's empty. See? It's hardly anybody here. Everybody done bounced already, for the most part. Yep. And even the food court. The food court empty. It's normally full. Is there a couple? Yeah, so like I was saying, even the food court, it's just a few people here. Normally it's packed. Everybody don't run out of here. Most people stayed home. See, they closed. The Mexican Grill, they closed. There's hardly anybody here. A lot of places still here. But see, it's not that many people here. Because it's snowing bad. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you guys. Yep. Normally it's so packed on a Thursday. I'm going to show you. Yeah, y'all. Sorry, my finger there. Look at all of that. Y'all see that? It's so much. It's so much snow out here already. And it's not even done. See? Yeah, it's so much snow on the ground. Look at that. It's a lot. And it's still falling.